Molokai. My whole name is Natalie Elizabeth Noelani Lindsay Kamauu. My maiden name is Ai, so I just slide it in there. But I got my second name Elizabeth from my auntie, who was the postmaster at Kamauu. And yes, she did have Hansen's disease and lived there until she passed away. And so she had no children, and so I got to be named after her. And I thought, for CD number 2, I would do something for Auntie Elizabeth. So that's why. Moloka inuya hina, right? Why am I nervous? I'm so happy to see all of you. I see so many friends. And believe it or not, that makes me more nervous than seeing strangers. And maybe it's because I have a short dress on and I know you can see my knees. And by the way, okay, I got these legs because I'm Samoan, okay? See? My Samoan legs. I'm Hawaiian, Samoan, Tongan, American Indian, Spanish, Scottish, Dutch, Irish, Welsh, Belgian, English. IE is Chinese. I'm not Chinese, but I like the food. But my legs are all Samoan. I think I'm going to do a song for my grandma. She married a handsome Samoan fire knife dancer who she met while dancing the hula in San Francisco. He followed her back home and begged to become her third husband. And they did eventually get married and have 2 children, my mommy and a sister. And I've never met him. My parents went back when I was Hawai'i with my son, and I didn't go on the trip. And especially this year, I've been thinking, it's time to go and meet Grandpa, right? I'm just scared of the Samoan ukus. Yeah, I'm scared. Bring them home with me. But you know what? I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it there. So this is a song I wrote for my grandma. It's called Nani Hawai'i.